Okay, so today topic I will create a image with eight eight keyword, CMD keyword, entry point keyword, and work directory keyword in Docker. Okay, so what the use of eight? Will use eight instruction to the include file from your local machine in image. Okay, and CMD will use for instruction to specify the default command for the container, and will use entry point instruction, okay, to define entry point for the container. And work directory is set working directory using this keyword work directory instruction. Okay, so how to use this keyword? Okay, in the VS code. So now go to the VS code, and first I create the folder on here. We have get the folder path. Okay, and on here right hand cd path cls, and we can add the project name on here. You can write any project name, like create the first folder name, like on here write command mkdir, and project name my underscore project underscore uh, my docker. Okay, project name my docker underscore project. Okay, now enter. Now go to the folder cd my underscore docker underscore project. Correct? There. So I go this folder, and okay, now on here open the this code in the VS code folder. Okay, now select this folder, and on here I create the one notepad file. Okay, we have hello.txt. Okay, on here we write something hello from Docker. Hello from okay hello from Docker. Okay, so okay, I add the message on the. Now I have created the file on here Docker file. Okay, Docker file. Now on here add Docker. Okay, Docker file. Now I on here write the keyword. Use that keyword. First I use the in the last session I have discussed with the base image. Okay, so from uh, Alpine, this is a base image Alpine colon latest. Okay, from this is a base image. Okay, this is a used for the obviously base image. Now I will create the working directory set. So we have keyword work directory. Work directory. Okay, this is a directory folder. So on here we have folder path is app. Now I add file from local machine to image. So on here for the keyword add from source to destination. Source is hello.txt, and destination app. Okay, inside the app hello.txt. Okay, This is a set the path from source to destination. Now we have one another keyword is a CMD. CMD used for the print statement. CMD. Okay. This is a used for the print statement. Like on here, you can write echo. Okay. And second keyword, what you want to print? Like we have this is a CMD instruction. Okay. Now we have last command is a entry point. Entry point. Okay. This define the entry point for the content. Okay. So you can write on here cat. Cat is used for the execute the that line. Okay. And and which file we need to execute? On here we have at the path app. Inside the app we have hello.txt. Okay. So this is a my complete code. One keyword is a from. This is a base image. Second keyword is a work directory. This is a used for the working directory. 8 keyword is used for the 8 file from local machine to image. CMD is print statement. Entry point is for the define the entry point for the container. Okay. So now how to run? Now go to the terminal. Go to the terminal and first we need to build this Docker file. So how to write the command? Docker build. Okay. Hyphen T and my underscore Docker underscore image. Okay. Through this command, I will create the image. Okay. Now it will create the image. Now you can see in the Docker file on here, I will create the image. Just scroll down and this is a image, my Docker image. Okay. Now I will run this image. We can run this image through the Docker run. It will create the container. When run the image, then it will create the container. Okay. My underscore Docker underscore image. Okay. So on here print hello from Docker file. It read the notepad. Okay. Because CMD is not working, echo is not working on the base code. Okay. So it is message come from here. Now you can go in the container. It will create the container. My Docker image. You can see on here. Okay. So these things today's session I have complete. Okay. 8 CMD entry point well directory. Okay. In the next session I will discuss with the next one. Okay. Thank you.